Most beginners lose because they are making trading far more complicated than it needs to be. In this video, I'll show you a simple pocket option strategy that uses price action and one basic confirmation signal to help you find better trade entries. Stay until the end because I'll also show you the mistakes that can ruin this setup even when the market looks perfect. This is not financial advice, and the video is for educational purpose only. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you gained any value from this video. Let's go. Okay, for this strategy, we are going to use the Japanese candlesticks. Leave it at 1 minute expiration time frame. We're then going to set our expiration time as 1 minute, and it has to be on flag mode. So now let's look for some opportunities, and I'll explain each and every single opportunity once I take a trade. Okay, we have an opportunity right here. Okay, I took my first trade with the sellers, although my entry was a bit late. If it comes up, okay, I added one more trade because my first entry was a bit late. So I was supposed to enter exactly at the horizontal line. So the reason for taking this trade was quite simple. So we have this, okay, let me draw everything for you. So we have this supply area right here, and I drew the horizontal line exactly at the supply area. So if we look at the past of the market, we also had a very good support area right here. So as you can see, this is a support area exactly at our, okay, the trade is about to close, and that was a win. So okay, both trades were winning trades. And so as I was saying, looking at the past of the market, we have this strong support area right here, and it broke. Before we broke that support area, so we have the support area, and before breaking it, we had this supply area right here. So this supply area was our point of entry, and as you can see, the buyers are a bit weak. So once the price got to my supply area, I confidently took a trade. Okay, the first trade was a bit late, so I entered another trade, but they were both winning trades. So let's look for another opportunity. And if you want to master this support and resistance, I've done a detailed video about this strategy where I use support and resistance. I'll leave the video link in the description, and it will also pop up somewhere on the top right of your screen. So make sure to watch that if you haven't already. So let's look for another opportunity. Okay, we have an opportunity right here. Okay, I took a trade with the buyers. Let me show you why. So this is one of my favorite setup. So okay, so let's see how it closes. So these, let me draw everything for you. We have this demand area right here. So I was supposed to take it exactly. Okay, my entry was good because it is below the demand area. So we have this double bottom. So this is one of my favorite setup, and I've also made a video about it, a detailed video about it. You can check it out. So we have a double bottom, a demand area, and so a double bottom is a confirmation that the market movement is reversing. So if we were moving in a downtrend, we are now moving in an uptrend. So this is our first bottom and our second one. So this is the first one, the first bottom, and the second one. So once we have broken that and we create a demand area, we expect the market to come back to our demand area. So this is the demand area. We expect the market to come back to our demand area, and once it gets there, so that's the demand area. Once the market comes back to our demand area, we can confidently take a trade with the buyers in this case. So you can also check out my detailed video about double bottom, so I'll leave that in the description. So let's look for another opportunity and continue. Okay, I'm waiting for this opportunity right here. So if it comes to my horizontal line, I'll take a trade. If it doesn't, I won't. So we also have a mentorship. So if that's something you're interested in, okay, I just took my trade right here. So we also have a mentorship. If that is something you're interested in, okay, that's a nice rejection. You can contact me directly through Telegram. And if you have any trading related question, you can also contact me directly. So the reason I took this trade is very simple. So we had this price channel. So as you can see, the market was moving inside a price channel. So this one right here, okay, let me draw it. So we had that trend line, and we also have this trend line right here. So eventually, so we also have this trend line right here. So eventually we broke that channel at this point right here. So as you can see, this strong candle right here broke that channel. And if you look carefully, okay, let me zoom in. So if you look carefully, we had this supply area. So this is a supply area right here. So we had this supply area, and we also had an overlapping area. So these are very strong point in the market. So that's why once the price got to our horizontal line, which is our supply area and also our overlap area, we took a trade and we had a very strong rejection. So okay, we also have this trendline breakout strategy video in detail, so you can also check that out. And make sure to practice everything in demo, and make sure to manage your risk accordingly. So that's it for today, guys. Have a good one. Bye.